Today we're making a Copycat McDonald's McRib. Why? Because why wait for a limited time release when you can have it anytime you want? And this version tastes so close to the real thing. Here's the key. We're starting with pork butt and we're processing it with cold water, sugar, salt into a thick, sticky meat paste. That cold water is what gives the McRib its smooth, springy texture. It's not just ground pork. Shape it into rib rectangles, press in those iconic rib marks with a spoon handle, then freeze solid for 2 hours. Then you're going to toast your buns, and then you're going to put those meat patties into a screaming hot pan, and you're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until you hit 145 degrees. Next, you're going to dip the cooked patties into Heinz barbecue sauce. Be sure to dip it on both sides. Now, build your sandwich. Down goes the bread, the meat, dill pickles, and sliced white onions. And then you get to enjoy the McRib anytime you want because you can make it in your kitchen all year long. Subscribe for more great recipes.